एवरी टाइम हम ये गाना दिखता है ऐसे लगता है पहली बार देख रहे हैं, इतना फ्रेश क्वालिटी. टेल मी योर फेवरेट मेमोरी इस गाने को शूट करते हुए.
My favorite memory. I had a bad fall, huh? Remember when we, huh? There were lots of falls. Yeah. Oh, the boat rides.
अच्छा.
To these beautiful places. And Amalfi Coast, I think that's Siddharth's favorite place. That's Ritik's favorite as well.
I think beautiful memory obviously is the exotic locations.
जी हाँ.
I think it was a party. I think जबरदस्ती मुझे इसको निकाल के काम कराना पड़ता था. उसको लगा था छुट्टी के लिए आई, अच्छा काम भी करना है और डांस भी करना है. Actually, she loves dancing, so I think that comes.
Yeah. This is just for me, okay? Both of you, Tiger and Ritik. One secret about the other, जो हम finally मीडिया के सामने शेयर कर सकते हैं. एक ऐसी चीज जो टाइगर आपने ऋतिक के बारे में जाना through the making of war.
ऋतिक सर का फेवरेट खाना समोसे है. He loves samosa.
वो सीक्रेट कहाँ रहा अभी?
अच्छा अभी नहीं.
ऋतिक.
खुली किताब है यार. He's just everything he feels is on his face. I think Tiger's USP is कि जो उसके अंदर जो हो रहा है, that shows on his face, which is why I feel that he is somebody who is going to grow into one of the biggest stars Indian film industry has ever seen.
Ritik and Tiger, my question is for both of you.
Yeah.
Recently, when we had media interactions with Akshay ji and Ajay Devgan, both of them complained, that there was some reason why, ego maybe, which prevents 2 hero films or 3 hero films coming. Now, after this, do you see a change, and will you yourself be a part of such a change if it happens? Both of you.
I have always been somebody who looks forward to doing films like 2 hero films, whether it was ZNMD, whether it was Fizza, where it was about the sister. I am about cinema. I love good cinema. And that's it. It stops there. I don't have any more thoughts beyond that that help me decide on a film. So, I think this is something that people should, I think, just be secure with. As long as you are authentic to your role and your character, you will shine. And nobody can take that away from you.
Thank you.
What
That's a
about
great
Tiger?
question.
Somewhere.
Thank you.
Tiger,
I think somewhere Khalid and Kabir have proved that. If you're authentic to what you're doing, doesn't matter.
Tiger, what do you have to say? Because you have been doing solo films too.
So I mean, I've just sort of been starting out my career, and I feel like I haven't achieved much. But I've never been offered a double hero film until now, thanks to Siddharth sir and Adi sir. और सच कहूँगा मेरी फटी पड़ी थी शुरू में, क्योंकि एक तो मैं ऋतिक रोशन के सामने मतलब कोशिश कर रहा हूँ खड़े होने के लिए, but for me it was a huge challenge, and my only fear was to not come across, because I'm his biggest fan, bigger than all of you guys. So my only
I'm with you guys.
So my only challenge was to not let that fanboy in me show on screen in a way. And other than that, मैं बहुत ही शुक्रगुजार हूँ इनके लिए, क्योंकि जिस तरह उन्होंने मुझे तैयार की इस किरदार के लिए, I think all credit goes to him. और कभी-कभी मैं बहुत lucky होता था, ऋतिक सर भी मुझे direct करते थे एक दो बार ऐसे. So I used to be really lucky. I'm surrounded by the best. So yeah.
Thank you. The
Hi,
next
Ritik.
question.
Neha here from Bollywood Now. Hi, right. in front.
सामने. जी.
Hi. Many congratulations to all you guys. Most deserving success, I would say. इतनी ज़्यादा मेहनत दिख रही है स्क्रीन पर. My question is for you, Ritik. जब आपकी फिल्म रिलीज होती है, इतने साल हो गए इंडस्ट्री में, अभी भी वो नर्वसनेस होती है, वो शेकी फीलिंग होती है. क्या करते हो आप जब फिल्म रिलीज होती है और यू आर लेड बैक एंड यू एंजॉय योर समोसा?
तो कल मैं अपने बिस्तर में था, मैं लेटा हुआ था और मैं आइसक्रीम खा रहा था, और मैंने टाइगर को मैसेज किया कि यार तू क्या कर रहा है. तो टाइगर ने कहा आई एम इन माई बेड हैविंग आइसक्रीम. तो I said यार I think we are both going through the same feeling. Let us celebrate this with everybody tomorrow and eat ice cream on stage. So can we all have some ice cream, please?
क्या बात है?
I'm sorry, I think that was a abstract way to answer your question. We are, I think, extremely happy. मेरे ख्याल से मैं एक बार जब अपनी फर्स्ट कॉपी जब देख लेता हूँ, हाँ ले आओ
ये
sir,
कभी
ले
नहीं हुआ है.
आओ. हम लोग
This is the first.
you have to trust what we are saying. We actually mean what we are saying.
You know, I
Sid,
think
please.
तुम बहुत खुश हो.
आप
क्या
start
सवाल
कीजिए.
पूछा है तुमने? तुम्हारे सवाल पे आइसक्रीम आ गया
तो-
स्टेज पर.
एक साल कुछ ना खाने के बाद this
Oh
is
my
our
God, this is
celebration.
celebration. लेकिन वानी को देखो. वानी सर यहाँ पे लेके आओ.
टाइगर ऋतिक
You know,
One which has been the biggest film of your career, and now you are jumping into Samshera with Ranveer. What is the mind frame like because you know of the success, and what can you tell us about the next film?
Strangely, my mind frame is exactly how it was before. I'm only relieved and excited and ecstatic about the fact that people have given it love. And I'm already shooting. I'm in the midst of shooting for Shamshera, so that's also going really well. You know, I mean, I have a fabulous director there, and I have someone like Ranbir Kapoor as a co-actor again, who is a powerhouse of talent. I mean, he's one of my most watched actors as an audience. But yeah, I'm just hoping, and I mean, it's a big relief, and it's a big, how do I say it? It's been a huge experience for me to be part of such a huge film, which is so larger than life, and I think Sid has presented me in a very different way than I have been before. So this is an experience that's going to always be special for the rest of my life.
I want to ask Tiger first that आप जिस दिन आपने ये फिल्म साइन करी थी, ऋतिक has been your inspiration. तो आपने जिस दिन ये फिल्म साइन करी थी, उस दिन की फीलिंग और आज जब आप इनके साथ बैठ के फिल्म प्रमोट कर रहे हैं, सक्सेसफुल फिल्म हो गई है, तो आज की फीलिंग, ये जर्नी, अपनी फीलिंग की ज़रा बताएं हमें.
आज फीलिंग चेंज हो गई है मेरी, क्योंकि आज ये मेरा हीरो है.
तो ये कह सकते हैं कि ऋतिक आपको अपना एक ऑन स्क्रीन पार्टनर मिल गया है.
डांस पार्टनर, फाइट पार्टनर, स्टेज पार्टनर,
आइसक्रीम
पार्टनर.
देखो ज़्यादातर फीडबैक मुझे जो आ रहा है, I haven't had this chemistry with any of my past heroines also. So,
Love it.
yeah, so answering your question, the feeling has been the same throughout. I still can't believe
So you think you have achieved one milestone?
definitely
Hrithik
I
as your
think
inspiration.
definitely, and I'm blessed that I got to do my biggest film with my biggest hero, so I couldn't have asked for more.
Give it up for them.
Thank you, bro.
Guys, don't sit down. We are Hrithik.